When we talk about the beauty of the world, we only think of Switzerland and the United States or a few European countries. And if we look around the world in the true sense of the word, we find human areas. Make your beauty crazy today, and we will tell you about the 5 most beautiful cities in the world that you will be amazed to see. You may also disagree with our list, because on the internet you can find people visiting different cities on different websites. Like the video and subscribe to the channel before further discussion. In our list, number 1, Tokyo, the capital of Japan. Japan is called the hub of technology. While its city of Tokyo is considered a tourist destination, time seems to be running out in Tokyo. This ancient capital of Japan combines the charm of a classic city. Residents still wear kimonos with more modern neighborhoods. It is one of the few cities in Japan that did not bomb during World War II. So, its architecture and heritage are practically intact. Located on Honshu Island, Tokyo is considered Japan's cultural and film center. If you guys want to visit this city, please let us know in the comments box. In our list, number 2, counted on the city of Dubrovnik, located in Croatia. It was one of the cities that suffered the most from the Balkan Wars, which led to heavy bombardment. Despite the wounds, this European city has managed to recover the ancient beauty that makes it stand out. This old city stands for its importance in the arts and sciences. Inside, you will find a town of colorful colors with a unique atmosphere that combines tradition with art. Its streets were once inhabited by knights, fishers, looters, kings, or merchants. Today, many homes of ancient artisans have been turned into galleries, workshops, or small shops. The beauty of this city has worked impressively for series such as Game of Thrones, which has used it as a stage during different seasons. But even without the intervention of cinema, it ranks second among the most beautiful cities in the world. Number 3. Cape Town in South Africa. An essential destination of your trip to South Africa should be Cape Town, possibly one of the most cultural cities in Africa, and it has integrated its European heritage with its African character in the best possible way. Its primary focus is on the colorful explosion of its charming homes. Its history is still remembered as the birthplace of many leaders of the anti-racism movement in Cape Town. In fact, in the city where Nelson Mandela delivered his speech, it was the beginning of a new era. If you go to this country, you must say hello to my AB de Villiers because he is my favorite player. Number 4. Bergen, which is located in Norway. It is one of the most photographed cities in Norway. It is located between 7 hills, some known as the place where their famous people live. It is also the gateway to Norway. So it is not surprising that this is a necessary step to consider this wonder of nature. You will find the best food taste at the port, where various street vendors sell some of the country's gastrointestinal delights. Number 5. Istanbul, Turkey. Between Europe and Asia, Istanbul is an example of the coexistence of ancient traditions with Western innovation. It was formerly known as Byzantium and later as Constantinople. Its history still resonates in the oldest part of the city. There, you will find some of its most important buildings such as the Blue Mosque, the Hagia Sophia, the Cisterna Basilissa, the Topkapi Palace, or the Grand Bazaar. It is the only city where you can change continents by crossing just one bridge. Dear friends, today is all you have to say about this video. Please give us your valuable feedback in the comments box. I will see you soon with a new and exciting video. Until then, permit me. Goodbye.